Welcome to this course on WordPress tools. These are some of the tools we use on a daily, weekly basis in our agency, some of the great finds that we've discovered over the years that we like to use, and I thought I'd share those and put those together in a course for you. Hopefully you'll get some benefit out of these. So the first one we're going to talk about is Local by Flywheel. This is a great little tool, allows you to develop WordPress sites locally on your machine, so you don't need a domain name or hosting until you're actually ready to put the site live. And you can even share links to your local machine as the local site that your clients can view while you're developing it. So let's do a little demonstration. So if you go over to Google and just search Local by Flywheel, it should take you to the website. Or you can go to localwp.com as the URL. Once there, if you click the download button, that'll download the either Mac or Windows version of the tool to your machine. Once installed, this is what it looks like. And I'll just take you through so you can see how easy it is to create a new site locally on your machine. So give it a name, testing one. There are advanced options, so you can change the local site domain name. It'll end up putting .local on it, or you can change where the site path of the files are on your machine. You can actually use a blueprint, and it can be saved off as a blueprint if you've installed certain plugins and themes that you want to always launch a site with. You can just continue through all this and go with the default PHP, MySQL versions. Create a username and password for admin. You can change your email here, or you can just leave it as a local email, and I'll show you how we access that shortly. So that's it, spinning up the local version of a WordPress site. It will ask you to put in your admin credentials for your PC or Mac. That's because it's going to make some changes to your host file. And that's it, it's ready to go. So I'll just show you around this dashboard now. You can see the site's running. You can right click, you can save as a blueprint, you can clone it, you can stop it. You can reveal and find it, which shows where the files are held on your machine if you need to edit functions.php or anything like that. And then you can see an overview of the environment there. You can even trick it into thinking you've got an SSL certificate. If you go to that and then go to trust, and then again, it'll ask you to put your credentials for your admin password for your machine. And then utilities, I'll show you that in a little while. This is where you can access the email on there. So I'll click view site, it'll take you directly to that URL of testing1.local. And you can see there a normal default WordPress installation straight out of the box before you put any of your own themes or customization or plugins on there. Go back here and click admin, it takes you to the same URL, but /wp-admin. So if you put in your username and password that you created earlier, that's you straight into the back end and the admin panel of WordPress, which if you've used WordPress before, you'll be familiar with. There's an update showing there, I'll just update that. That's just the 2020 theme. So this is just a standard out-of-the-box installation at this point. You can see it's default themes 2020, 2019, 2017 that you'd expect to see. No plugins, you've got your default post in there as well. Now going back in here, just to show you this utilities in the email. If you click that, click open Mailhog, it opens in on the local mail server there, and you can click in there, and that's the email that you would have been sent when you first created the site, just the new installation one. And then this is the live link I was talking about. So if you enable that, then you can share that link with your clients and they can access it, and they'll access all the way to your machine to have a look at anything you're doing there. It's actually blocked, I think, on my firewall from my Sky Broadband, but it shouldn't be a problem if you wanted to get that unlocked on your firewall if anyone's having problems connecting. It's a great little tool. If you need to do any testing and you want to quickly spin up a website just to try something, install a plugin and test it, and you don't want to do it on one of your dev builds or your live builds, and here's the place to do it.